how to send money from Western Union to Nigeria. Here's what you want to do. Open up the Western Union app, click on menu in the top right corner, and then you want to select send money. Here you will need to choose the receiver's country or region. So I will just find Nigeria here from the list. Okay, you can see it here. Select the country and then type the amount which you are trying to send. It should convert it here to the local currency, and you will get two options, either cash pickup or bank account. So how will the receiver get it? If you want to do bank account, you will click on bank account right here, and then it is going to ask for your payment method. So you can do debit card, bank account, credit card, Apple Pay, credit card, or Apple Pay debit card. So we're just going to do debit card as an example, and we're going to click on continue. Now you will need to type the receiver's information here, so their first name, surname, last name. Their phone number is going to be optional, and you will need to choose their bank. So let's just do Citibank as an example, and then the account number is going to be required as well. So we want to type the account number and a purpose for the transfer. So what is the purpose of this transfer? We can select gift. After you have filled out all of this information, then you will click on add. It is then going to add money from your debit card if you fill out your info to Western Union, and it's going to send it over to the receiver's bank account. And that is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.